The international furore surrounding the killing of Dwayne Jones continues today. His murder made it to the BBC's World Have Your Say radio program. The discussion is just one in the latest flurry of international media who've put the spotlight on Jamaica and our views on homosexuality. The media business is quite interesting, and many times the worlds collide in ways you never expected. Take, for instance, what happened when our crew went to do a story about government housing going to waste in Albion Court in Montego Bay, St. James. Back then, our crew from Live at 7 met 4 young men who'd taken over one of the houses. Little did we know then that one of those young men who opened up to us about his plight in life would have drawn so much attention to Jamaica in death. This evening, we bring an exclusive Live at 7 interview with Dwayne Jones just a few weeks before he was killed by an angry mob. I want to warn you that some viewers may well find some of the images in this piece disturbing, and so cautionary viewing is advised.
That's Dwayne "Gully Queen" Jones doing what he loved, dancing. The 17-year-old became another one of Jamaica's over 500 murders since the start of 2013. However, his brutal slaying at the hands of an irate mob in Irwin, St. James has brought Jamaica yet again under the glare of the international spotlight.
Because a straight man and up on the road at LOJ with the one night and they claim say we not fi size up in a their way, we must go on our own way and so we and him catch up now so and me and him getting a one dispute. Everybody run and so me defend myself, but see then did have one stone he cut up me and I see big old bust in my head side. I don't know if you can see but yeah, I see. Yes. So probably me could defend myself then kill we.
That's the Dwayne Jones Alive at 17 met at Albion Court, St. James at the end of May. A handsome young man trying to, with the help of his friends, his now chosen family, navigate through the cold streets of Montego Bay. He had been kicked out of his home and chased out of his community. And at the time we met him, he and 3 gay friends were squatting in an abandoned government house in Albion.
We are all behind our one another. We are like one family living here. 4 brothers living. We have no one behind us.
Jones already knew that his homosexuality marked him for death. He'd been threatened enough by the police in Montego Bay.
The other day when they come, one of them was really, you know, out of group you always have one flighty one. One of the next to us said this is our firm one, and so the next one depend just let them up and I just shoot them because they have our rights.
Almost 2 months later, Jones was brutally murdered. On July 22, Jones, dressed in full female clothing, attended a street dance as Gully Queen. With dance moves that rivaled those of any dancehall queen, he caught the attention of a man who decided to dance with him. But soon, a woman who knew Jones was male let the cat out of the bag. He was surrounded by a group of persons demanding to know whether he was a man or a woman. He insisted he was female. His friends, his constant companions, tried to get him out of the crowd, but despite the attempts to flee, the crowd gave chase. His friends barely managed to escape. One took shelter in a nearby church. However, Jones wasn't so lucky. He was beaten, chopped, stabbed, and shot. The police found his body in the bushes the following day. His parents, who still live in Montego Bay, have refused to claim the body. The local gay lobby group, J-Flag, says they will give him his final rest. And going into 4 weeks since his murder, the police still have no leads in the case, so no one has yet been charged. Meanwhile, back in May, one of Jones's friends just wanted to leave Jamaica.
We tired of your fight. We have to fight for rights too much. I'm 27 now, and from me know myself, I have to fight. From me 12-year-old, I fight for myself. I don't know mother and father, nobody back on me. And it reached to a state in which I just say, the best if we just migrate and go somewhere else, but we can't live more comfortable.
Jones, however, had no other option but to fight until the end.
And given what we know about our ability to solve crime, that one might never be.